Hello friends. Today I'll be covering a topic of strict and absolute liability under tort law. First I would like to give you an introduction. My name is Ankit Vardani. I am a third year law student from JNR and Vyas University. In this short presentation, I will explain the important tort law principles of strict liability and absolute liability. These are the doctrines that play a vital role in ensuring industrial and environmental accountability. So first I would like to tell you about strict liability. Strict liability means a liability without a fault. It was first introduced in the case of Rylands versus Fletcher in 1868. According to this rule, if a person brings any dangerous things onto their land and it escapes causing harm, they will be held liable even if they were not negligent. And there are some exceptions to this rule of strict liability. For example, an act of God like an earthquake or flood, the plaintiff's own fault. The act was done with the plaintiff's consent. The use of land was nature. These defenses can reduce or eliminate liability under this doctrine. And then there is another concept, and that is absolute liability. So in India, the Supreme Court went one step ahead in the case of MC Mehta versus Union of India. It was the case happened after Oleum gas leak in 1987, and the court developed the rule of absolute liability, which means that if an industry or enterprise engages in hazardous activity and harm is caused, then it is fully liable with no exceptions. And this rule was very unique to India, and it was designed to protect the public safety. Then there are some key differences of strict and absolute liability. The key difference is that there are some exceptions in strict liability, while absolute liability has no exceptions. Strict liability was originated in England, but absolute liability was developed by Indian Judiciary. It was an Indian innovation. Then if we talk about the relevance today, then these principles are still highly relevant in disasters like Bhopal gas tragedy, Vizag gas leak, and other absolute liability others. Absolute liability ensures that companies are held accountable for endangering lives and environment. It promotes safer industrial practices and better risk management. So in conclusion, I would like to say that strict and absolute liability are crucial tools in tort law to ensure justice and accountability. They show that how the law evolves to address modern problems and protect people's rights. Thank you for